How to stop Instagram saving to camera roll. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go and open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to go on the plus icon that is down below, and then you have to take a picture that you want to take. As I want to take a picture, then I have to go on the camera option, and then I can take any picture that I want. Now as I have taken this picture, then this picture will be saved in this video. Then if I click my back option on my mobile, and then again click on back, it is not saved. But if I do want to save this picture, then I have to click on this icon, and then I have to click the picture. As I click the picture, then I have to go next. As I click on go next, and then this kind of option will appear, and this will just send my picture into the my post, and I will not be able to keep the picture in my camera log. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So